Hi everybody, I'm Lucas Hoge, and you're watching LifeMinute.
Look at you, leaning back on the hood of my
I grew up listening to all these amazing artists and songwriters, and I wanted to kind of try and mold myself after what they were doing as well, but give my own little edge to it. So I would say it has a traditional feel with a new edge to it. I grew up with music pulling out emotions, whether they were happy or sad, make you cry, make you laugh. And those are the emotions that I want to pull out of people today. Not just party songs all the time, but songs that really make you think, songs that are poignant about everyday life and things that we all go through every single day, and people that can really relate to those songs as well. Because each song that I write has somebody that I've connected to as a songwriter, or it's inspired something else, or it's a cover song, you know, that I grew up listening to that I just love, and it's got a story behind it as well. So definitely there's going to be something for everybody. If you don't like the first song, listen to the second one, you're going to love it.
My old man.
We are currently touring all over the world. We were just in Texas and Oklahoma, and I literally fly from here back home to Nashville for a day, and then I fly straight back to overseas, and I play for our troops. And it's something I've been doing for the last 10 years. It's not the typical big stage and light tour. It's a tour where I put a guitar on my back and we go, usually get in Black Hawks or military transport, and we fob hop to forward operating bases that don't get to see entertainment. So we take a little entertainment and a little home to them, and a lot of thank yous. We've had a great album, great success on this album. This single's doing amazing, but every chance I get when I'm back in Nashville, we're in the studio writing for the new project and constantly trying to create new music and change what we've done and take it up a notch, you know. So we're always evolving and trying to make everything that we do better, you know, for an experience for the listener, for the viewer, and for the fans out there and the friends that continually support me every day. It's just, we just have to keep plugging away and keep making great records and great music and hoping that everybody likes it along the way.